Hi everyone, I am one of the senior trainees of English Times and I joined English Times just because of brushing up my soft skills. But later on I realized that English Times not only polishes its trainees potential, but also it gives wonderful opportunities and exposure to its mentees by conducting so many productive and informative activities like workshop, econ club activities. So as I am the senior trainees of English Times and I am conducting one club in its train the trainee program where I train a group of mentees, and this is the good way for my exposure. I'm getting practical knowledge of my of my dream, which I am exactly dreaming. So this is the video to gratitude to the English Times, which it is doing for enhancing my skills. So thank you very much, English Times.